Hey, it's Drew here for SystemWorks, and I'm here with another how-to minute so you can get the most out of your PC. Okay, today we're going to learn how to back up your computer. One of the number one problems out there today is people don't back up their data. It's very important that you back up your data. People always come in and they've lost data, they haven't backed up the data. Um, if your hard drive fails, I hate to say it, but your data's gone, and there's sometimes not a whole lot that we can do to get it back. So it's very important that you back up your data. You can back it up onto a flash drive, a CD, a DVD, an external hard drive, a server if you have one. Um, all that's very good, and it's also good to back up your data onto two mediums. So maybe you once a week you'll back up your data onto an external hard drive, and once a month you'll back it up to a CD or DVD, so that way you have a hard copy. Um, okay, so let's learn how to back up your PC. Um, Now in Windows XP there's a very handy program that's simply called Backup, and that's what we're going to use today. So go to Start, Programs, Accessories, System Tools, Backup. Okay, so it'll start up in the wizard mode, so just hit next and make sure backup files and settings is selected. Next, and here's a few different options. If you're just one person uses the computer and all you want to back up is My Documents and your other settings, first option is good. Select the second one if there's multiple users on the PC and different profiles, or the third one if you want to back up everything on your computer. This will require big space, such as an external hard drive or a server, in order to do that. But today, all I want to back up is one folder, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So select your option, hit next, find the folder file that you want to back up, select it, next. Now this is where you go in and select where you want to back it up to. I just have a flash drive as removable disk G that I'm going to save it up to, and I'll just simply call it backup. Hit next. Now if you hit finish, this will back it up instantly one time. However, you should back up your data at least once a week. So we're going to go into the advanced options, set it up. Select normal. Next. You can verify data after backup if you'd like. It takes a little bit longer, but it's not necessary unless you have some very, very sensitive data that you want to keep. So hit next. Now select, make sure, I'm going to suggest that you select append this backup to existing backups. It will streamline everything. And what that is if you back up a Word document, for instance, if you haven't rewritten that document or added anything to it since the last backup, it won't back up that file because it's already backed up and it won't take the time to rewrite it. But if you have edited that Word document since then, it will back it up. Same thing with any other type of file. So hit next, and this is where we set up the scheduling. So hit later and enter a backup, enter job name. We'll just do this, simply call it backup caps, and set your schedule. Now, like I said earlier, I would suggest backing up your data once a week. So select weekly, and we're going to do this at a time that you're more than likely not on your computer. So at 1:20 in the morning will be a perfect time, and we'll do it at the end of the week, so it'll be Friday night, Saturday morning. Make sure it's every 1 week, and hit OK. And you can just set up a simple password. Hit OK, and that's OK. Alright, so you're good to go. Simply hit next, and it's gonna want the password. Hit OK. Alright, so it's going to go ahead and back up your data once a week from now on, but you need to make sure that you have that medium plugged in. If you have a desktop, I mean, your external hard drive more likely is going to be plugged in at all times, or just make sure that you have it plugged in at that time, or a blank DVD if you choose to print it to a DVD. And there you have it. And it's going to be in your scheduled tasks, so it's going to go ahead and do it. And there you have it. Your computer is backed up. I'm Drew with SystemWorks, and that was a how-to minute. And don't forget to visit us at systemworksonline.com.